Hello teacher. Want to keep count of specific student scores? Use the Countif function in Google Sheets and say goodbye to manual counting. Today in this video we will show you how to find the number of students who exactly got 75 as their score by using Google Sheets. We have the respective students' names in column B, their particular class section in column C, and math score and English score in column D and column E. Google Sheets has a count function that can help you count the number of students who has 75. Step 1. Select the cell where you want to enter the count function to find the number of students who scored 75. In this example, I am selecting cell F2. Step 2. Type the equal to sign and write Countif and open the bracket. Select the cell's range of column D and E. In this example, I am selecting D2 to E21 for the math and English scores and insert a comma and type in the criteria, that is the number you want a count of. For example, I will be taking 75 as the criteria. Step 4. Close the bracket and click enter to get the exact number of students having a score of 75, that is 7 students in my case. The Countif feature on Google Sheets can help teachers keep track of various other things too. For example, it can help count student attendance and completed assignments. For more such tech tips from InnerScore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.